everyone, welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to learn the concept of grade 9th chapter Introduction to Euclid Geometry. Under that the concept we are going to study axioms. So before studying axioms we have to know what is the meaning of axioms. So axioms are the universal truth that is applicable for all over the mathematics. Suppose if I take one example of axioms, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. It means that if I take x is equals to 2, then y is equals to 2, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 2, both are same things, then they are equal to one another. It means x is equals to y. So this concept is applicable for all mathematics. So that is the meaning of axioms. So now we are going to study different axioms. So first axiom says things which are equal to the same things which are equal to one another. So instead of x is equals to 2, you can take any numbers. X is equals to minus 10, y is equals to minus 10, then x is equals to y. So this is the first axiom. Then axiom 2. If equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. Suppose a is equals to 5, b is equals to 5. These two are equal. Then if you added that, a is equals to b, if you are added to this, same thing, 5 plus 10 will get it a 15, 5 plus 10 is equals to 15. This whole things also equal. That is the second axiom. If equals are added, here 5 is a equal things. If for that, if you added 10, 5 plus 10 you will get it a 15. Here also 5 plus 10 you will get it a 15. 15 is equals to 15. All things are also equal. Then come to the third axiom. Axiom 3. If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Suppose P is equals to 10, Q is equals to 10. So these two are equal. From that if you subtracted same thing, minus 3, 10 minus 3 which is equals to 7, and here also 10 minus 3 which is equals to 7. We'll get it a same number. So if equals are subtracted from equals, this 10 and 10 are equal. From that if you are subtracted same number, these are also equal. That is the third axiom. Then come to the fourth axiom. Things which are coincide with one another are equal to one another. If I draw a line, this is this much length, then so same other line, if it is same line PQ, if both are having the same length, if it is coincide B as it is in that, it will resemble same line. So the things which are equal to same thing, then they are equal to one another. So if it is the line, if you are taken, if it is look like a AB and PQ, there is no difference. They are looking same. So these are the four axioms of Euclid geometry. Remaining axioms will study in the next class. So if you like a video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.